Ever struggled with your HDMI audio cutting out or missing altogether? If you've been hunting for a simple fix to add or replace audio in your HDMI stream, this HDMI audio inserter might be exactly what you need. It supports HDMI, HDCP 1, 2, and DVI 1.0 standards, handles audio sampling rates up to 192 kHz, and even supports digital optical SPDIF. Whether you want to insert an external digital or analog audio signal or convert DVI to HDMI, this device makes it straightforward and affordable. I faced this problem myself after upgrading to an AMD video card. The HDMI audio kept dropping out, which was frustrating during movies and presentations. Then I found this audio inserter box. It lets you send onboard SPDIF audio alongside HDMI video directly to your TV without any hiccups. The price was right, and it delivered exactly as promised. No complicated setup, just reliable sound. Another user shared how they used the 3.5 mm input to add audio from a multi-channel soundboard to a video stream without audio, proving how versatile this device really is. The key is simply switching the input selector to match your audio source, and it works like a charm every time. What sets this apart is how it handles CEC pass-through, supports 4K resolution, and even 3D video signals, making it future-proof for most modern setups. If you're looking for an affordable, no-fuss solution to fix or upgrade your HDMI audio experience, this device deserves a close look. It's the kind of practical tool that quietly solves your problems and lets you enjoy your content without distractions. If that's you, give it a try when you're ready. You might find it's exactly what your setup has been missing.